Hi guys, today my dad is fixing the clog hot glue gun. Look at those glues. And look at it, they had a lot of sticky things. And dad is there with that needle, fixing it because it's clogged. It doesn't work because it's clogged. Look at this, guys. Sample of this.
Di, isaksak daw nga ito. Bulag lang.
No. You're gonna... It's hot. Ah! And look at this, guys. There's the spring. The attachable spring. And this is the wiggly thing. Here's the screw. Fixing screw. It has a magnet. It doesn't have a magnet. Hey. This has a magnet. Look at this, guys. My dad fixed the first clog glue. Look at this. It's very big. It's about 2 inches. We're gonna throw it.
Okay, here we go. This is
Don't touch it. It's too hot.
Yeah, I know it. I know it. You have this plier.
Yeah. That's your big plier.
The biggest plier I ever had.
No.
Hey.
Mom, can you stop laughing? You're like a chimpanzee. That's the sticky one. Yucks. It smells bad. Yeesh, Dad, it smells bad. It smells bad. Here's my dad. That pin is gonna be broken. I know. And you're using it like it's I don't know. It's too hot. You can't imagine it. My dad fixed this because this is clogged. Now, look, it's bright. And that thing is clogged. The second thing. It's very sticky inside. Look at it, guys. Hey, stop joking.
Okay, sorry. I'm just trying. If you're not frightened about hot or heat.
Komodo dragon. Komodo dragons are crawling and you're not crawling.
I can crawl.
You're like a dog.
No, I'm not a dog.
And when you go to school like a Komodo dragon, they're gonna tease you as a dog. This is my mom. This is my mom. She doesn't want to see her face. And there's my new shoes. Here's Mom, hiding her face. You can see her eyes and her nose. Take off that thing. We're on a video.
Hey, John.
What?
Where's the other one? Ah. I almost forgot to put it back
Here's
inside.
Mom. Take off that mask. Right, Mom? Yeah, take off that mask. There she. Laughing. Everybody's gonna laugh at your video. Look, Mom has a lot of earwax. And stop doing it.
Earwax. Damo daw to. Mahalamat na rin.
No, my name is... I don't know. This is my mom. She doesn't want to see her face. Look at those shiny face. Just laugh and smile. Laugh and smile. Look, my mom got the anime t-shirt. It says ATQT. There's my mom's face. Yeah. And she got the Chinese one. And this is E. Speak English. You're like a frog. Mom, you're like a frog. Look at her face. Look at it. Look at it. Look at Mom's face.
Hey, Jan, gonna... Ayun. Lambrag. Okay, that's my little Jan. Let Maestro Electrico Jr.
No, I'm not Junior.
Glenn Bazar Jr.
No, I'm not Junior.
Oh, you don't like to be called Junior? You're Jan.
No, I hate to be
Hey,
Jan.
wrong turn. Oops. 2 more.
Can you video Mom?
Yeah,
on her
mommy,
face?
right.
You can see Mom in her Facebook. It's named Jennifer Cabby. If you guys see this vlog, just search her account that I shared. There! Done! Now it's stronger! Now it's working!
Are you done?
Look, it's now working like
It's
a
working.
gun.
Glue gun.
Bang! Bang!
Mhm.
Look at Mom!
Thank you, Jan.
Yeah.
Gonna try it now.